Hello, welcome. Today I am going to do Puliyodharai rice. I have taken kadai and ginger oil. Groundnut and cashew nut has been fried. Now in the same oil kadai, I am going to put mustard seeds, chana dal. This is red chili, urud dal, asafeda, and curry leaves. See, this is tamarind water. This is puliyodhara powder, puliyodhara paste, and chili powder. All this I am going to mix in it. Now the tamarind water. See, I have put salt in it. Let it boil till the oil separates. See, now it is ready. Now in the boiled rice I have put the roasted groundnut and cashew nut, puliyodhara mix which I prepared, puliyodhara powder. All this I am going to mix it. If you want, you can add little salt in it. See, now it is ready. Okay, thank you for watching.